When it comes to eye creams, there's a sea of products out there, but very few that truly live up to their promises. Today, we're exploring one that's been making waves in the beauty community, the CeraVe Eye Repair Cream. If you've been searching for something to tackle puffiness, bags, and dark circles, let's see if this is the product that delivers. So what makes this cream stand out from the crowd? Let's dive in. The CeraVe Eye Repair Cream is designed specifically for under-eye concerns. Its lightweight formula promises to reduce puffiness and bags while also brightening the delicate skin around your eyes. It's oil-free, ophthalmologist-tested, and suitable for all skin types, making it a versatile option for most people. The magic ingredient blend includes hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and a Marine Botanical Complex. These ingredients work together to hydrate, soothe, and give you a refreshed look, ideal for those mornings when your eyes need a pick-me-up. Now, onto the real-world testing. I've been using this for a couple of weeks, both in my morning routine and as part of my evening skincare ritual. The texture is ultra-light and absorbs quickly, which is a big plus for anyone who doesn't want their under-eye area feeling greasy. I love that it doesn't interfere with my makeup either, making it easy to use under foundation without disrupting my look. But the real question, does it deliver on its claims? After using it consistently, I noticed a visible reduction in puffiness. The area under my eyes looked more hydrated, and I definitely felt more awake. The niacinamide seems to be doing its magic in terms of soothing, and the hyaluronic acid kept the skin feeling plump and moisturized throughout the day. There's a subtle brightness that has me feeling confident even without concealer. Of course, no product is without its drawbacks. While it works great for puffiness and hydration, I didn't see dramatic results on my dark circles. So, if that's your main concern, you might want to look into other treatments that focus more on pigmentation. Also, the size of the product means you might run out a bit quicker than expected if you're using it generously every day. When it comes to value for money, this one's a bit tricky. At its price point, it's a solid option for a hydrating eye cream, especially with CeraVe's Dermatologist-backed formulation. However, if you're just after a depuffing cream without the extra hydration, there are alternatives at a lower price. In terms of build quality, CeraVe doesn't disappoint. The packaging is clean and functional, and the tube allows for controlled application, so you don't waste any product. Plus, the inclusion of MVE ingredient delivery technology ensures that the hydration lasts throughout the day, which is a real bonus. As for customer service, CeraVe has built a strong reputation for responsive and helpful support. So if you have any concerns or questions, their team is always there to assist. If you're looking for similar products at a lower price, there are a few options out there that focus on reducing puffiness and hydrating the eye area. However, CeraVe's combination of gentle ingredients and a formula that works for sensitive skin does set it apart from many budget alternatives. So, does the CeraVe Eye Repair Cream live up to its claims? In my opinion, it's a great option for anyone looking to reduce puffiness and hydrate the under-eye area. It's not the ultimate solution for dark circles, but for an everyday hydrator with soothing ingredients, it's worth trying, especially if you have sensitive skin or are looking for a reliable option backed by dermatologists. If this review has helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can discover this video too. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried the CeraVe Eye Repair Cream, drop a comment below to share your thoughts. Stay beautiful inside and out, and we'll see you next time.